Welcome to my YouTube channel Statisticians Club. I hope everyone is fine. Please subscribe the channel. Also press bell icon to receive latest videos. Today we solve numerical questions about addition law when events are not mutually exclusive. So here is the statement. If one card is selected at random from a deck of 52 playing cards, what is the probability that the card is a club or a face card or both? So as you know, total cards are 52, which are distributed in four categories: diamond, heart, spades and club. And 1 to 10 are number cards. Queen, king and jackal are the pictured cards. So total number of pictured cards are 12, and every category, like we have 13 card of club, in which 3 are pictured club and 10 are numbered card, and total number of pictured card are 12. Our question is, what is the probability that card is club, that card the selected card is club or a face card? Pictured card, also called the face card, means any card which have a picture which is queen or jackal or both. So let we denote our events. Let A represent the event of club cards, B represent the event of face card, and A intersection B be the events that card selected is both club or face card. So we need probability of A union B here to calculate. As you know, here is something is common, which is in club cards and which is also in face cards. That is the 3 cards of club, king, queen and jackal. So probability of A intersection B, number of favorable outcomes over total number of outcomes. A denote the club cards, so our favorable outcome is 13 and total number of cards is 52. Probability of B is equal to face card. We have 12 face card, so 12 over 15. Probability of A intersection B. What is common between 12 and 13? There is 3 card common which include in this 13 number, and these 3 cards also include there. These are face cards of club. So probability of A intersection B is 3 over 52. So the formula for not mutually exclusive event is probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So probability of A is equal to 13 over 52 plus probability of B is 12 over 15 minus probability of A intersection B is 3 over 15. Here is writing mistake, so here is 3 over 52. So after simplification, we got the answer 13 plus 12 25 minus 3 22, 22 over 52. This is the answer. Now we move to the next question. An integer is chosen at random from first 200 positive integers. What is the probability that integer chosen is divisible by 6 or 8? So after reading this statement, you know from 1 to 200 digits there is any digit available that are both divisible by 6 and 8, like 24. 24 is also divisible by 6 and it is also divisible by 8. Similarly, most of other digits also available which is divisible of both 6 and 8. So this event or this question is also the case of not mutually exclusive addition. So the formula apply here for law of addition is only for probability of law of addition, not mutually exclusive case. The sample space for this experiment is S is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on 200. N of S is equal to 200. So we denote the event A to those numbers which are divisible by 6 and event B indicated to those numbers which are divisible by 8, and A intersection B represented the even that integers chosen is divisible by both 6 and 8. We need probability of A union B. N of A 33 are the number which are divisible by 6 out of 200, and the number divisible to the 200 numbers are 25, like 8, 16, 24, 32, so on. There is the 20 number which are divisible by 200 in the series of 200, and here the 33 numbers in the series of 200 which are divisible by 6, like 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and so on. So probability of A union B, probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. 33 probability of A, the event divisible by 6, so 33 over 200 plus N of B 25, so 25 over 200 minus any events which are common, which are divisible both A and B, are the 8 numbers, so 8 over 200. After simplification we got answer 50 over 200 is 1 over 4. So 25% are the are such numbers which are divisible by 6, 8, and both 6 and 8. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch videos on the definitions of probability, law of addition, p-value, then click on the links as you see on your front screen. Thanks.